Hey guys, today I'm going to be boxing a new wireless mini keyboard I bought for my Android media box. This is it right here. Let me get it in focus here. It's the T16 wireless touchpad mini keyboard, and I believe it is manufactured by Ambolove. I'm not sure if I said that name right, but that's the manufacturer, and it just tells you a couple of the features here. Let me focus this here. Yeah. Ergonomic design, 76 keys, up to 25 meters, adjustable DPI, 2 game buttons, built-in battery, intelligent sleep, instantly wake up, ultra thin ergonomic design. Okay, and then it has stuff that it's compatible with out the box: the TV box, your pad, your Xbox, your PC, your phone, your projector. So it's compatible with those out the box here. All right, let me break the seal on this. Alright, let's see what it looks like here. The box doesn't have like a good shot of the design, but that's what it looks like. T16 here. That's what it comes in. So you get the controller, keyboard itself here. You get a user manual, and you get a USB cable for charging it. See how long this cable is here. It's pretty long. Get this out of the plastic here. You open the back here, and you get your little dongle right here. And you can see the battery. Now this one, you can actually remove this battery. Let me see if I can do it. There we go. You can actually remove this. A lot of them you can't. But this model was designed with a removable battery. Okay. Now, put this back on here. It's all plastic. Nothing. It just. Yeah, none of it feels real premium. It's just real, plastic. Hopefully it handles better than it feels. But, yeah. Oh, the power button's right up here at the top. On and off, and this is where you charge your USB charging. Turn it on, see if it has any power. Yes, it does. The light came on here. All right. Now there's you guys can see that in the little light here. And I press the button, it comes on. It might need charging, but I'm gonna test it on my Android media box that I have. But I'm gonna charge it a little bit first, so when I hook it up, we'll see how it works. Hopefully it works way better than it feels, because right now I'm not liking the feel. It doesn't feel too high end. It feels really cheap, so we'll see. All right.